A lot of people have Poppo Livestream, or they have been seeing me doing content on Poppo Livestream, but you've not been able to take Poppo Livestream serious. Right now, this is how much I have on Poppo Livestream app: over 100 USDT. And why am I doing this video? I'm doing this video because I want you to look for extra means of income to be able to make money. And the joy of doing this particular video today is because one of my one of my fan reached out to me and she said, oh, thank you so much, I was able to make money from Poppo. And I was like, you see, a lot of people are making money from Poppo, so you too, you should not leave yourself out and not make money. So in this video, I'll teach you how you can get 100 USDT every single month from Poppo Livestream app. I know I'm making it 100 USDT. Some persons can even get over 1,000 USDT, 2,000. There are people on Poppo Livestream that are making even up to 4,000, 5,000 USDT every single month on Poppo, doing this same exact thing that I want to share with you. And this same exact thing that I want to share with you is the same thing that my agency is doing, that he's using to make money. A guy, he will tell you that, Sonia, I don't even want to create content. I don't want to be on YouTube. I don't want to be on Facebook. I don't want to be anywhere. Let me just be on Poppo and be making my money. And man, this guy is cashing out, and you can also be able to cash out. Anyways, with that being said, let's get right into this video. Let me show you how you can make 100 USDT every single month using Poppo Livestream app.
So guys, I'm not going to beat around. I'm just going to go straight to the point and show you one of the thing that is really fetching me money here. I have my top three. Okay, so I'll start from the last third one to the first one that is really helping me to cash out every single month on Poppo, just like this one that you guys are seeing right now. Okay, and one of the things is by invite. Okay, so to everyone that you invite to Poppo, you get to in 14 USDT, and this is not even difficult at all. What I do basically is to copy my invitation link, just paste it out there. Anybody that wants to join will join, so you don't even need to force people. And if anybody is joining, you earn 14 USDT per everyone joining. Now the second thing is by playing game, and if you click on this golden flower or you click on this game box, you're going to see different games that you can actually play on Poppo Livestream app. So for example, if I click on this golden flower game, this golden flower is one of the best game that a lot of people play, and then they make good money from Poppo Livestream app here. Okay, so all you need to do is to join people that know how to play this game. You're going to be on their live stream, you understand, and they will go ahead, and these people will go ahead to teach you all you need to do. Now, this game is just a game of ABC. So they'll be telling you, oh, choose A, choose B, choose this. As you are choosing, you are playing this game with them. But then again, I always recommend that if you want to go into playing of this game, make sure you are using what you can afford to lose at the initial stage until you have mastered this game very well. Then you can go ahead and play any kind of game that you want to play. You can see that they also have other games here. One of my best game as well is this Lucky Wheels. I play it a lot, and these Lucky Wheels have been able to give me a lot of things as well. The better thing I love about Lucky Wheels is no matter how you play Lucky Wheels, you are not going to lose. Now, let me show you guys my top one on how I'm able to achieve this and how a lot of people are able to achieve this too. Is by selling coins, and the best platform you can actually use to sell coin is Coco DP for players. With Coco DP for players, all you need to do basically is to buy coins from them, and then you sell on Poppo Livestream app. You can see it here. I've made several videos about Coco DP for players, and a lot of people are able to thank me personally. Now, it is not even limited to only Poppo, right? So if you are also on Bigo, Imo, Star Maker, Miko, Migo, you can also buy coins here and sell. So this is basically where people make a lot of money from, because let's click Poppo Live for example. So if I open Poppo Live now, you can see that there are different amount of coins that you can buy, and for any amount of coins that you buy, Poppo Coco DP for players reward you with extra coins, and of which normal Poppo Livestream app will not do that for you. You can see even if you buy coins of 3,000, 350,000, you get an extra 80,000 coins, and these are where you sell and then you make a lot of gain. Now the question is, how do I buy and sell coins on Coco DP for players? The first thing for you to do is to go ahead and check if your country is here. You can see all of those countries. For those of you that will say, oh, my country is not here, all you need to do is to find anyone that is in this country, and then you are good to go. I'm still even using Kenya, even despite the fact that my country, Nigeria, is still here. You understand? Because I already have my friend that is always buying coins for me. You understand? Now you can see it here. After getting to locate your country that you want, then the next thing for you to do is to click on what? Is to click on the what they call it, the Poppo live stream app. If you want to buy for emo, you go ahead and click for emo as well. So right now I click on the Poppo live stream app, then you're going to enter the amount of coin that you want to buy. So let's say for example I want to buy these 70,000 coins, and they're going to be giving me extra 13,000 coins. And the beautiful part is, since you are having extra coins, you can also use these extra coins to gamble, right, on Poppo, and still make money. Now you can see the money is going to be in Kenya shillings. So depending on the on the country you're using, the money is going to be on that country's what they call it, on that country's currency. Now the next thing for you to do that is very important is to go ahead and put in your ID number on Poppo. You understand? You have to put in your ID number. Now you can see what they say. They say attention, make sure to fill the correct ID, because Coco DP for players have said it that if you did not put the correct ID and you lose, or you put a wrong ID, they will not be held liable. Okay. Now, after putting the ID, you go ahead here and click on buy now. And if you click on buy now, you're going to allow this load, and it will show you to choose payment method just like this. So let's assume I want to use mobile money. I go ahead and click on buy now. So for those of you that will say it is not in your country, you just calculate the money in your country and send it, and send the rate, exact rate, to anybody that is buying for you. And as simple as ABCD, you can see agree that the refund policy. You click on confirm, and once you buy coin, automatically this will be credited to your Poppo live stream app. Okay, you're going to see it here on your Poppo live stream app, where you're seeing this 550,000 550 coins. Okay, it's going to be accumulated, and then when you want to sell, you just join an agency. You can even join this my agency, right? And then you tell him that you are selling coins, and he will be able to direct people to you whenever they want to buy coins. I've given this particular agency to a lot of people, and he has been able to help them. All you need to do is just tell him that you're coming from Vibe and you want to be selling coin and be making money on Poppo Livestream app, and trust me, this guy is going to help you. And if you're doing this, there is no way you're not going to be making over 100 USDT every single month on Poppo. Some people even cash out 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, depending on. Some people can tell you that they're not going to any other app or platform except Poppo Livestream app. And how are they doing it? They are using the help of Coco DP for players to get this. Another important part of Coco DP for players that I will not allow you to miss out is to join the Facebook group. And when you join the Facebook group, they have different activities going on that you can always join and then make extra money. You understand? Sometimes they do money giveaway, sometimes they give away coins. Like there are different activities basically, depending on even activities that is happening, like if it's Christmas, Valentine, all of those things. They share coins, they also share money for free for people. So all you need to do is to perform small tasks like this video, drop a comment and the rest of that. And you see, the moment you're liking the post, you're dropping a comment, and they see that you're active, they're definitely going to bring out the winner. You can see this one, capture spin and win free coin conny. You can see it here as well. So there are a lot of activities, and I believe that if you join, there is no way you're not going to be making money. Coco DP for players has really come to help a lot of people navigate Poppo Livestream and other livestream app, and I hope you get to try this and thank me later.
I hope this video is able to help anyone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye, start making money, and I love you. Mwah.